Since the training, my confidence has exponentially increased, and there's always training to be done, but I feel I'm in a good place now. Prior to this training, my boat skill level was, I thought I had it nailed, but clearly I didn't. My concerns about the boating was docking a larger boat in a windy situation, and there's a number of things one needs to address. I did look around and ask some people who could train on such boat docking and other activities, and Tristan's name seemed to come up more often than the other names. The training was tailored by Tristan. He sees the boat you're in, he can quickly gauge your skill level, and he addresses the gaps in your training and guides you through it, and he's a good teacher. You know, he's patient, which you need to be, I think. Now I feel more in control and getting to the point where you can enjoy your day out on the boat, which is what it's about. I recommend Tristan to anyone who wants or needs a boat lesson.